Hi, I'm Miss Owen and I'm here to talk to you about food nutrition GCSE. Food nutrition has two pieces of coursework, one delivered in Year 10 and one delivered in Year 11. The one in Year 10 is worth 20% of the overall grade and is a food science investigation project. This is where you would carry out a scientific investigation to look at the properties and changes of particular ingredients. You would record your results using a number of different methods, such as star graphs, pictures, tables, graphs, and you'd have to write up a hypothesis and a conclusion. In Year 11 is your second piece of coursework. This is worth 40% of your overall grade. It is a 15-hour controlled assessment task with a 3-hour practical cooking exam where you'd be asked to showcase your culinary skills. For this task, you would also have to produce a 15-page portfolio investigating and planning a menu that would showcase your culinary skills as well as fit the brief set by the examination board every year. In Year 11, you will also sit a written examination paper, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes. And this is where you would be tested on your understanding of food nutrition and food provenance. There are 6 units in our syllabus that we cover as theory work. Food commodities. Students will have to demonstrate safe cooking skills by planning, preparing and cooking a variety of foods from different food groups. You'll also have to look at the nutritional content of these different food groups. Diet and good health. You will discover the relationship between diet, nutrition, health, including the physiological and psychological effects poor diet has on health. This is a great subject if you want and works well with PE. Principles of nutrition. You will discover and understand the functional properties and chemical characteristics of food, as well as sound knowledge of the nutritional content of food and drinks. The science of food. You will find out about microbiological food safety considerations when preparing, processing, storing, cooking, and serving food. Food provenance, where food comes from. It is important when you study food nutrition that you know where the food comes from, how it is harvested, produced, manufactured, and stored before it reaches the plate. You will look at animal welfare, organic foods, and mass production. Cooking and food preparation. You will explore a range of processes from different culinary traditions, traditional Welsh, British, and international. There are plenty of career opportunities linked to this subject, or you may just want to choose it as it is a life skill. However, these are some of the career opportunities that may come from studying food nutrition. So some of the questions that you may have can be answered here. This course is academic and based on the science of food. It has elements of practical cooking, but you must be prepared to study hard as well as bring in ingredients on a regular basis to cook. Regular cooking at home is vital to develop your cooking skills. And yes, you can study food nutrition if you are a vegan or a vegetarian or have any other dietary requirements. However, you must know that meat will be used during demonstrations. Thank you for listening, and if you have any more questions about food nutrition, please get in touch.